You know ना, I want a property जहाँ developer reliable हो, customer expectations and वास्तु दोनों को ध्यान में रखकर layout design किया गया हो, amenities ऐसी हों कि मुझे compound से बाहर निकलने का भी मन ना करे, and location definitely no compromise with that. Yes, I just reached Takashva and I love the location. Like it's so close to Worldmark, AIPL, absolutely loved it. Like I came here on your high recommendation, but now I'm excited to see it for myself. What? Tak is a listed developer? I didn't know. This makes it all the way more exciting and more credible a thing for me. Acha, okay, I'm going to see the flat now. Let me video call and show my husband too. Bye. Okay, baby, here we start, okay? This is the service lift. So we are given 2 service lifts, okay? Now this is the entry. This is our Ishwa Ghar. And this is the grand entrance. And अभी भी हम घर के अंदर तो ना घुसे ही नहीं है. They assure कि हमारी privacy intact रहे. What a beautiful view, right? Okay, so now we are entering the servant room. This does not look like a servant room to me. It's pretty spacious now, baby. I think we can use it as study too. They have an attached washroom here, a balcony too, and this is the utility balcony also, I think. So this has a direct connection to the kitchen, right? So pretty. Yay, I'm so excited. Alright, now see, अब मैं servant room से बाहर निकल रही हूँ and देखना अभी कितना दूर है हमारा main gate. So now when I enter, ये हमारी 2 lifts हैं जो private lifts हैं जिसमें access control मिलेगा, okay? Still more space for the entry. Now we are entering the Ishwa Ghar, our future home. Look at the entry. So grand, right? A good space of foyer area. Looks so good to me. So once we enter, on our right, you can see, right? On our right, we have the powder room, okay? Then this is our dining area. Can you see? Yes. And this is the family lounge area, okay? Now the family lounge area, they say, is the center of the house. So we can actually make our study area here or our temple, like however we like it. Pretty good, right? Okay. Now let me show you our drawing room. Yes. See, look at it. Isn't it pretty? And I have a surprise. We have a deck area too. So don't think that the deck is like just a deck, like a balcony thing. It is an extension to our drawing room. Look at it. So huge. Now let me take you to the kitchen also. Okay, wait. See, so pretty. Okay, we've come to the kitchen. Okay, यहाँ पे ना ये already हमें fully loaded kitchen दे रहे हैं. Bosch के सारे products use हो रखे हैं. Dishwasher, washing machine, oven, everything is provided by them. It's so nice. I'm already waiting to cook here, host people here. Oh, sanitary fittings. वो तो ये सारी Kohler की ही use कर रहे हैं. So baby, this house is basically a 4 BHK, okay? This is the family lounge area. Now over here, we have like 3 rooms and 1 room is there on that side and the servant quarter to you have already seen, right? This is the first room. Let me show you. Look at it. It is so spacious. Like there is so much moving space also. There's a balcony attached to it. Now let me take you to the washroom. All these cupboards and everything, you know, they're giving built-in. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें आके हर कुछ काम कराना है. The washroom also so spacious, right? Yeah, you like it? Now baby, look at it. After that room, I come here and on my right there is 1 room. On my left there is another. So the left room, they say it's a master bedroom, but this one looks nothing less than a master bedroom to me. Now look at the space, all that they have to offer here. Can you see? It's very pretty. It is so spacious. Look at this grand window kind of a thing that they're giving, proper ventilation. Look at the moving space over here and look at that big balcony. Now let me show you the walk-in closet and the washroom. Look at it. मेरा सपना है यार ये तो, the walk-in closet. Look at the washroom. And let me show you something very special over here. My favorite part, okay, this is the shower. This is the open area. Of course, opaque. Yeah, this is the open. Imagine it is like you're taking a shower in like the open area with proper natural light and everything. Don't you love it already? Okay, now let's see this room. This also has a closet over here, another closet here, and then there is the washroom. Now let me give you a room tour. Look at it, so spacious again. There they got the balcony, you can see, right? Yeah, it's a big balcony. Again, they have that big window over there and over here too. So proper lighting, proper ventilation, and everything that we can ask for. In fact, more than that. No? Let me take you to the fourth and the last room. ये ना बाकी 3 rooms से अलग है. So can be used as a guest room also. Like it's a secluded place. Or like for your parents when they come so that they don't get disturbed. Look at this room. Look at this room. Again, pretty, so much open air, ventilation and everything. The closet, they have the washroom over here. And listen, I forgot to tell you one thing. Your parents are going to be very happy. So this house is 100% Vastu compliant. They love it, right?